Hello friends, my name is Himanshu Kumar and my channel is Pratigya Continue Classes. I want to tell you some things. I want to come online today. You should listen and feedback how it felt it. So let's go on. Today topic the for 20 lakh crore rupees for fund, the Prime Minister Modi says. And second topic is current related, and third topic is for super cyclone. Every people why super cyclone, but India is super cyclone and Australia that is name is other change for Willy. More than country are name are also change, but India every states for only for cyclones for name is provides, but other country is already for other names for provides name. But today topics for firstly for topic for Orissa is super cyclone. Orissa is bracing for having rain under the influence, and Orissa is bracing for having rain under the influence of subcyclonic storm of Amphan, that is name of Amphan, which is set to scripts away from the state northern coast to make a landfall between West Bengal and Bangladesh. Orissa is 40 district is distributed for related super cyclone. The name is super cyclones. No one for read for what is super cyclones. Number of states are affected. That time only for state is distributed, firstly for Orissa and second is West Bengal. After the increase Bihar, UP and other states for affected. Firstly affected Orissa and second is West Bengal, after Jharkhand and Bihar and UPs. And other countries, Bangladesh is affected also. But and second topics for globally for lockdown 4.0. Number of cases are increased day by day. Nowadays is lack of migrant is for hungry. For some person are fulfill the lives in these times. And second question not completed after third question is pointed for business related. General alternatives for investment for second is largest for invest for Jio. Is invest agreed to invest for 6,598.38 crore rupees in Reliance Industry. Globally growth. wholly on digital service from Geo platforms. On wholly on a digital service from Geo platform limited from 1.34 stake, valuing the company at rupees 5.16 lakh crore. For second, it invest in Reliance from Geo Industry. Firstly, invest is CEO for Google. More than people are wise invest for Geo, but Geo is largest of businessmen in increase. Nowadays delivers and other person for thinking why is invest for globally for CEO Facebook, because the Facebook is largest and already for WhatsApp, Facebooks, other of for just like for apps, because Asia is largest of in the world, which in richest person is Mukesh Ambani, and totally for Geo that times for user in India, and for relatives for just like from TikTok is banned, no one bans for China, for other country is banned. In India 1 billion whole of country is user for TikTok. Nowadays increase 1 billion number of TikTok under lockdown. Whole of country is for just like for under the blast is distributed the TikTok. 1 billion are increases user. And second, first and second and third and four for related for lockdown 4 and Delhi. Current related point. Delhi government onset. Delhi government has announced on Monday is lockdown 4 for related for state. Number of factory industry are open, and number of buses, two-wheelers, taxi and private car, odd and evens for alternate day is open, because number of cases is 10,000 approx increase COVID-19 in Delhi, because nowadays Delhi is control other state compared to. Number of cases are 10,000 but recovery rates are 4,000 approx. Only for active case 5,500. Only for 5,500 active cases and approx for 140 40 40 to 15 are dead so far. Number of cases increase, but Arvind Kejriwal has announced कि because economics is day by day decrease, but COVID-19 is day by day increase, but globally compared to economics is important, because if you suppose that economics is day by decrease after number of people's already dead, but nowadays today for lockdown 4.0 is extent, but Arvind Kejriwal red, green, orange on number of company and number of industry are opens, because migrants are very protest, because number of companies are not opens, number of industry not opens, but travels for not opens per 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. for full of curfew, just like for curfew lockdown. No one for one person for on road by road. But nowadays for age under 10 and upper for 16 to women and men's for banned, because everyone's for no for no one's for control the COVID-19, but odd or evens for apply for everyone peoples. And Uttarakhand also one and opens number of districts only for green zones. 6 districts are only for green zone and rest are only for green zones. Uttarakhand's 3 states already, Goa, Manipur and Tripura only for green zones already announced government, because number of cases day by day increase, but recovery rate also increase. Approx 36% whole of India, as compared to USA. USA approx for 40 lakh between to 15 lakh. Number of cases are present times. For death rate 1 lakh, and whole of country 46 approx 46 lakh between to 47 lakh peoples are affected COVID-19, and 2,46,000 lakh 2,46,000 are people dead in whole of country, but approx 50,000 no one 50,000 approx 1 lakh already for USA dead, approx no one for related for point to points for related for number of death in USA. Approx 1 lakh to 80 lakhs between for death in USA. Only for 40 to 15 lakh affected COVID-19 in USA. But Trump has announced last month in 2020 COVID-19 vaccine is increased, yeah, all for just like for other of country for distributed after in increase, why is not increase? And second point for 20 lakh crore invest for rupees for points. Firstly, points health sector related step taken so far the COVID containment. Already announced 50,000 crore. RBI has already announced for 9 lakh crore. But to the points fall after before 1 week ago the Prime Minister on said 20 lakh crore in India is Atmanirbhar Bharat for one step for honors. जान है तो जहाँ है. Firstly, point for where is invest for rupees. Firstly, already announced 15 crore rupees and initial items for 3,750 crore and testing lab and kits 550 rupees crore and release of two states 4,113 crores and insurance cover for COVID warrior 50 lakh per person for health professionals 50 lakh per persons under प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना. अंडर प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना 15 लाख रुपीज पर प्रोफेशनल हेल्थ वर्कर हेल्थ वॉरियर. प्रोटेक्शन फॉर हेल्थ वर्कर अमेंडमेंट इन पैंडेमिक डिजीज एक्ट aquatic professional for PPE from 0 to 300 domestic manufacturer. And second, already the suffice PPE already one day for 2 lakh PPE kits and N95 masks 2 lakh per day. And after These times 53 lakh 58 lakh crore are available in India, and N95 marks approx 90 lakh is available in India, and hydrochlorine HCQ, hydrochlorine these times is increased for 12 crore is available in India. And second point for technology, why importance is technology under COVID-19. Number of technology users are increased. Nowadays, every systems and every departments for defended technology. Number of schools, number of institute, number of coaching, and number of university, and number of department, and number of industry, and number of company, and number of buses, and number of platform, and number of for any of shop and any of electronic shops for dependent only for electronics, technology, not for electronic technology, different technology. Number of increased technology, number of software for only for technology, then we quick the inform and distribute the knowledge and save the times. Nowadays, just like me, approx 8 to 12 work for technology use, and after the knowledge improves, and number of cases for health diseases, but no one nowadays delivers for opinion for technology for related points. Swam Prabha DTH channel. Why is Swam Prabha DTH channel to is supported and reach those WHO who do not have access to the internet. 3 channels were already unmarked for school educations, no others 12 channels to be added. Why? Swam Prabha channel, DTS channel, 3 channels already and 12 channels for added. Nowadays, everyone for technology for user. Without technology, no one for go on other sides. If you suppose that fill up the form firstly for use technology. Suppose that if you not use for technology, then you are maximum times for distribute one for fill up times, but more than technology user for Japan. The whole of country in this time the technology user, but nowadays India increase number of technology is increased, but number of internets for computer not available. Number of states just like for 2 or 3 or 4 states for provide students for laptop and phone. Firstly for laptop provide for in UP, and second for in Delhi. Number of students are in Delhi and UP and Kerala and in Bangalore, in Karnataka and China, Chennai. Number of percentage for technology user increase in Bihar, in Jharkhand, in Orissa and Northeast. Per number of internet are user for 30 to 40%, and compared to other states for Bangalore and in Delhi, number of students maximum 50 to 90, 15 to 60% each uses technology. And provision made for the telecast of live interactive seasons on the channels with expert from the home Taoist skiving. First state in Jharkhand for DTH 4 hours or fully for free of provides for in technology in 1 to 12 classes, one channel, one classes. And also tied up with private DTH operators like Tata Sky, Airtel to air educational video content to enhance the reach of these channels. The reach of channels. Tata Sky Videocons to air educational video content to enhance the reach of the channel of these channels. Coordination with state of India to share air times 4 hour daily air times. Coordinations with state of India to share air time 4 hour daily on the Swam Prabha channel to telecast their education related content. 4 hour daily Swam Prabha channel to telecast their education related content. And second, Diksha platform has 61 crore hits from the 24th March till date. Diksha platforms had 61 crore hits from 24 March till date, and 200 new textbook added to e-Pathshala. And second for related completed, and third for related 4.0 Manrega for related point. What is Manrega? Manrega from related to just like for the The finance minister was said the Manrega for 40,000 crore distributed Manrega in allocated from Manrega to provides employment post. Government will now allocated government will now government will now allocated an additional rupees 40,000 crore under Manrega will help generated nearly 3 crore person day in total. Will help generated nearly 300 crore person day in total. Address need for work including address will need for more worker including registering migrant worker in monsoon season as well. Creation of larger number of traveling and livelihood assets including water conservation assets. Creations of larger number of durable and livelihood asset including water conservative asset and will boost the rural economics will boost the rural economics through the higher protection will boost the rural economics through higher protection and fourth point health reform to distribute the money for public expenditure public expenditures on health will be increased and investment in grass roads health institutions ramp wealth in willingness increase the rural and urban area and you should listen the properly for and watching and listening the number of point is very important and now it delivers for opinion each point for listen carefully in India preparing any future pandemic infections disease hospitals block all districts infection disease hospital block all districts and strengthened a lab network and surveillance integrated public health lab in all districts integrated public health lab in all districts block levels and public health under to manage in pandemics integrate public health lab in all districts health lab in all district block level lab public health unit to manage pandemics and last point 4.0 related points where each invest for money for technology education with equity post covid pm e vidya what is PM Vidya? No, a program, a programming for multi-mode, a programming for multi-mode access to digital online education. PM Vidya, a programming for multi-mode access to digital online education to be launched immediately constitutive of PM Vidya, a programming for multi-mode, a programming for multi-modes access to digital online education to be launched immediately constancy of. And second one, Diksha for school education in state union territory. Content for QR code. Energize the textbook for all grades. One nation, one digital platform. One nation, one digital form. And for one in-mark, one TV channel per class from 1 to 12. One unmarked TV, unmarked one unmarked TV channel for classes from 1 to 12. One class, one channel. One class, one channel. Extensive use of radio community, radio and playcast. Extensive use of radio community, radio and playcast, podcast, especially e-content of visually and hearing impaired. For technology importance, for Diksha platform, Vidya and for 3 of channel already provides for added 12 channel. After technology each day by day increase, but nowadays every school and every departments for and every college for provides only for digitals and technology. If you suppose that technology in India not available, but no one for watching and no one for stay home, because number of distributed times for technology and usage for internets. I am also used for 10 to 12 hours daily, because save the money, save the times, no one sorry, save the times, and after the distribute the others work for time. And last point, my COVID-19 related point, lack of migrants worker continue as lack of migrants worker continue to walk to reach their homes, amid the going lockdown. As lack of migrants worker continue to walk to reach their homes amid the ongoing lockdowns. The center issue new guideline. The center issue new guidelines on Tuesday that the schedule special train will be decided by the Minister of Railway based on request received by the states, but lack of migrants on the roads for working continue to walk because now a number of migrants is for very just like for affected for COVID-19 is destroyed. But Prime Minister every time said is COVID-19 is very dangerous. But जान है तो जहाँ है. But no one care for migrant worker to walk on roads in these times. Many of peoples for family children under 1 years and number of peoples and women for walk on roads for 100 to 1200 kilometer approx to 1200 12 to 50 walk on road by bicycle and but nowadays no one care but only for protest for no one leader for help on migrant for every times for criticizes no one work for leaders no one for leader work for other state for other MLA and MP for only for work for just like for people no one leader for work on distribute the food every side for screening and watching and I am also listen and watching for no one for leaders for hearing and watching but my point is stay home stay safe and stay family okay